We want to distribute this -2. So -2 times 3x is -6x. -2 times 1 is -2. Bring down the less than or equal to, and just write the right side. Next, we want to get all of the x terms to one side of the equation. I will move them to the left by subtracting 4x from both sides. This will give me -10x minus 2 is less than or equal to -6. Next, I will move the numbers without x's to the right side by adding their opposite. So adding 2 to both sides, we get -10x is less than or equal to -4. At this point, we just need to divide both sides by the number attached to x. -10 divided by -10 cancels to be 1, and 1 times x is x. The right-hand side, -4 over -10, simplifies to +2/5. Basically, we could divide the top and bottom both by -2 to simplify that fraction all the way. We need to keep in mind that when we divide both sides by a negative, the direction of this inequality will change. So the answer is x is greater than or equal to 2/5. If they wanted you to put that answer in interval notation, then the first number in the solution is 2/5. In interval notation, we put a comma. Any x bigger than 2/5 means this goes up to +infinity. So the highest number in that solution is infinity. Infinities always get parentheses around them in interval notation, and this number would either get a parenthesis or a bracket based upon whether it can equal that number. And since it can equal 2/5, we put a bracket here. So bracket 2/5, comma, infinity, parentheses is the answer in interval notation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more math tips.